Changing the color scheme in Shopify allows you to customize the look and feel of your online store. Here's how to do it. Log into your Shopify account. Open the Shopify website and enter your login credentials to access your admin dashboard. Go to Online Store. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Online Store. This will expand the menu. Select Themes. Click on Themes to view your current theme and available themes in the Shopify theme store. Customize your theme. Find your active theme and click the Customize button. This will open the theme editor. Access theme settings. In the theme editor, look for the theme settings option, usually located at the bottom of the left sidebar. Change colors. Click on the Colors section. Here you will see various elements like background, text, buttons, and links. Click on each element to choose a new color from the color picker or enter a specific hex code. Preview changes. As you make changes, preview them in real time on the right side of the screen. Save changes. Once you are satisfied with the new color scheme, click the Save button at the top right corner.